gonna tell you like third application which you can use for the previous year question paper notes as well as syllabus also for entire semester, entire branches of engineering, even a single application without any cost. It's a free of cost, nothing else you have to pay. Like I'm gonna tell you like what else we can do on this and how to get these applications installed in your phone and what is the benefits of this. Like it will help you to get your question papers and everything during the lockdown. It will help you to get your education clear. So keep watching Flophour Vlogs. See you then.
Okay, so guys, what you have to do is just open the Google Play Store and search VTU question paper. That's all, nothing apart from that you have to search. Here you can see VTU Connect. Okay, just click there. It's a syllabus, notes, question papers. I already installed this application. It's a very less MB application, only up to 16 MB. So you can see 100k plus people have downloaded this application and 2k plus review. Don't go with the review. Actually, I had seen many reviews like people who hate these things. Mostly they will give 1 mark. So it's a new application, so not that much rating is there, but I'm gonna tell you how this application will help you to clear your examinations and to help you to sort out your problems what you are having in your engineering papers. So just open this application. You do have to log in with your email ID, as if I have already did the login. So it will come like this. Homepage will be like this. So this is something like VTU Connect. So here you will get the syllabus, notes and question papers. So which year you want, like you will get up to last 2 years only here. This is the thing is there in this application. If you'll go with the 2018 batch, you have to select the branch, which branch you belongs to. If you belongs to mechanical engineer, which semester are you studying, first or second, get the details. So you will get entire details of those semesters, like which all papers you have to study with their notes and question paper. Here you will get the question, I think notes. Here you will get this is the syllabus. Okay, yeah, this is the syllabus. Like this is the syllabus where you can get the entire details of your subjects and what you have to study in which days. So this will get syllabus and materials. So materials are maybe not available with this site. I have made one video where you can find the materials as well. So here you can get the only syllabuses. Okay, so syllabuses is there, class timetable. I don't know, or the exam timetable will help you, like when your examination is there and when it got changed, you can check from here. Okay, examination details you can check here. This is very good, which is not available in my last 2 applications which I have shown in my channel. So this is a new thing, like every application have their own importance as per my concern. So results is also available, syllabus, I think notes will be there. I have not selected that, so that's why they are not showing here. Syllabus scheme only it's showing, so maybe. So this is what is there in application. You can get your exam details, date as well as syllabus also, and question papers also maybe belongs, but I'm not able to find. If you guys are able to find, please let me know. So this is the application where you can get your exam date, time and syllabus. That's all. And whatever the first video I have shown, that application you will give you the last year question papers and syllabus, and second video will give you that notes, syllabus as well as question paper. Examination details is nowhere available. This is the first application I have seen where you can find the details. So it will give only last 2 years detail, last 2 years what all examination you are having and what is the timing of that, with the timing, date and timing also. So it's a very good. So thumbs up for these applications. You guys must try these 3 applications which I have shown you all in my YouTube channel. So go through these 3 applications will help you to clear your examination in this lockdown periods. So I hope you liked the video. If not, then please comment why you did like this video, and if you like, please do comment like why did you like this video. So this is it from my end, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. See you soon again with the new information. Till that, bye bye, take care.